Hello, this is Matthew Fagan for my Sprint1 project report. So my web application movie theater website, Matthew Fagan. So my accomplishments this sprint, as I have set the groundwork for the project, I've created a welcome page that allows the user to log in or go to a register page. The register page allows information to be stored onto MongoDB. This information, when logging on to the log page, is checked by Passport, which I've also set up this sprint. And MongoDB and Passport have been integrated along with several EJS files supporting my web pages. Alright, so let's go to my first child user story. As a registered user, I want my account to be saved to the database so that I can log in as an authorized user. So acceptance criteria, the information after registering appears in the database MongoDB. The information is accessible for those after registering so that the user can log in, and Passport checks to make sure the information entered is correct from the user. So as you can see, I have a register or log on. And so for my acceptance criteria on this one, was the information after registering appears in the database. The information is accessible to those after registering, and the Passport checks. So I'll create a new account so you can see all that. And I'll register. So let's do name, John, email, john@gmail.com, password, register. You are now registered. So John Gmail is now appearing in my MongoDB database. So it can now be used to log on. I'll show that now. Email address, I had john@gmail.com. 2, 1, 3. Log on. Welcome, John. So as you can see, it logs on and verifies all that. Log out. John@gmail.com. Make sure that the information is correct. So I'll enter some wrong information here. Password is incorrect. So yeah. Okay, moving on to my next child user story. As an unregistered user, I want the program to allow me to enter bad information, not to allow me to enter bad information like a non-email or different passwords, so it checks my mistakes. So that will be in the register page. The acceptance criteria, the program does not allow me to enter a non-email. The program catches if I re-enter a password that does not match. So I go to register, Kim@gmail, or Kim, I'll just put Kim as the email. Password, register. Enter an email address. So it doesn't allow that. And the passwords I'm going to make different now. Passwords do not match. So it checks both of those and makes sure those are okay. Child user story number 3. As a registered user, I want my account to be stored in the database so I don't have to register every time. The The authorized users' accounts will be stored in MongoDB for future use. The authorized users can log in multiple times. After multiple sessions, the database stores the information indefinitely. So that's pretty basic. It's stored in MongoDB. As you can see here, I've made 2 accounts, and each of them is able to be used. Don't think there's really much more to that. And then child user story number 4. As a registered user, I want to access web pages the unregistered user cannot access. So there is a point to registering. Acceptance criteria. The program will deny the entry to websites if the user is not logged in. The program will direct the user to register if he is not logged in. The program allows logged in users to access more pages. So right now, this page can only be accessed if you have a login. If you try to enter just whatever, email's not registered, it won't let you access the page. Yeah, this will probably come back again in another sprint once I have a actual movie page set up as the starter page, but for now it will not allow you to go on. So that is what I have done for sprint number 1. Thank you.